Do work, love strong. This is who we are and what makes us different. It's what makes us Diamond C. Do work. This is the essence of the American spirit. We believe that where there's a will, there's a way. We are committed, creative, and resourceful. We don't back down from a challenge, and we thrive on pioneering our own way into the future. We show up mindful and heartful, and we put in the work to win and advance our team, customers, and community. When we think do work, we think results, progress, positivity, love strong. Our calling is much greater than ourselves. We strive to respect and honor all others and to lift as we climb through an unwavering, unselfish, and benevolent concern for the good of others. This unwavering concern propels us to genuinely care and to hold one another accountable to high standards because we care. When we win together. When we think love strong, we think service, clarity, integrity. When we do this well, we truly live out our purpose of fueling the growth and success of our team members, our customers, and our community abroad.